If you'd like to escape back to a simpler place and time, you certainly can when it comes to house prices here in Bulgaria. This is one of our properties we purchased 3.5 years ago. You can see why we fell in love with the house, with the balcony and the Gone with the Wind staircase. That's Chris's favourite spot. Halfway up the stairs is a stair where I sit. Many Bulgarian homes come with a balcony of some description due to all the sun that we get. It's amazing what just a coat of paint can do. Some outdoor furniture, fairy lights, some plants, and an inexpensive outdoor rug. Hey Freddie. And entering the house, this was the hallway. We've used white paint throughout the house because it's just so easy to touch up once a year and very economical. And also I think it goes with the cottagey feel of the house. And this was the kitchen. The table came with the property. Most older Bulgarian homes have some residual furniture and the chairs were second hand. The kitchen units were already in the house, we've just added some extra shelving. This was a small room next to the kitchen. Just some more white paint, some very basic shelving, some cladding on the ceiling, and we turned this into a laundry room and pantry. Living room. The master bedroom. The back of the house. This was our biggest project. We decided to add an extra room to the back of the property, which I think looks quite spectacular. Though it's nowhere near finished yet. We also installed a wall around the property to protect our 5 dogs. One of our biggest projects was tackling the amount of land around the house. Because we're not here very often, we really wanted something that was low maintenance. Jeff came up with the ingenious idea of using concrete, but then also imprinting a pattern onto the concrete, which was much cheaper than buying actual flagstones. Clever. As in the title of the video, we bought the house for under 20,000 euros. It was actually 16,000 euros. We've probably spent another 20,000 euros on renovations, but that includes the large outdoor room. Under 20,000 euros for a holiday home. There aren't many places you can do that.